So now, let's look at our spectator ions. These should be fairly easy. I think this is the easiest, this one is the hardest, myself. Okay? So good to go ahead and take care of them because you're really focusing on the precipitate. Did anything happen to the sodium? Did it change at all? No. So, did any of it get used up? No. By definition, a spectator, nothing happens, nothing gets used up. So, let's just subtract 0, and so we end up with exactly what we started with. So, the sodium concentration is going to be 0.2 moles. Don't forget this last step. A lot of people forget this. Over, remember, moles over liters. And our liters, once we mix the two together, is 0.2 liters. What's 0.2 over 0.2? 1. And then the same thing is going to happen with the chloride. It wasn't involved in any reaction, so nothing gets used up. But look, guys, remember, the chloride, because of this 2, it was double this, so we have 0.4 moles left over of the chloride. And so 0.4 moles over 0.2 liters is what? 2 molar. And those are all your answers. Does that make sense? But you really have to break it down. That chloride ion, that's probably the most missed question. Okay? You just have to remember when you have that subscript, it's breaking up into 2 of the ions per one big particle.